Good morning, children. And I hope that you have watched the previous videos also of the lesson how maize came into this world. Okay, and now we come to the next part of the lesson, children. So, in the previous paragraphs, we have seen that the old woman she was very happy with the hospitality of the villagers, and at the same time, the old woman taught them how to make the delicious pickles and how when they have to pluck the ripe berries and how they have to dry them and how to store them for winter, all this. And she sang very sweet, she sang very sweet songs, so they enjoyed listening her songs. And in the evening she used to gather all the children and tell so many stories. So in this way the children were happy and all the villagers were very happy. Okay, children. Now we come to the next part. Time passed. Autumn gave way to winter. The days grew cold and snow fell from the sky. Then winter too was over and spring arrived suddenly. One day, the old woman was gone. Okay, so the days are going on. So almost one season. See, at the time passed, autumn gave way to winter. So in winter season, what would happen generally? Very cold, right? So the days grew very cold because of the snow falls. So then the winter too was over and spring arrived. Okay, so in this way the winter completed and then the spring arrived. So spring is a season which vegetation begins to appear. So in this season only the plants will flower, fruit yields. Okay, so that is a season for vegetation. Okay, so in this season, all of a sudden, one fine day, the old woman was gone. She was not there in the village. See that what they have done. Nobody saw her go, but she was nowhere to be seen. Her bed was made. The clothes that the villagers had given her were kept on her bed neatly folded. She had taken only her shoes and walking stick and the torn clothes that she was wearing when she first came to the village. The villagers were very sad to lose her. They hunted for her far and wide, calling as they went, "Come back, Granny, we miss you." But they never saw the old woman again. Okay, so when the spring arrived, so the old woman all of a sudden one day she went off. She was not there. At the same time, nobody saw her. So without anyone's notice, she went quietly. Okay, her bed was made means it was empty. So where she slept the last night, so the bed was very neat, and which are the cloths were given by the villagers. So the villagers took a great care of her, right? Okay, so which are the cloths given to the old lady, and all they were folded very neatly, and she kept on her bed aside. Okay, so this shows that the old woman did not take anything from the villagers. Okay, as long as she stayed there, she taught so many things all- for all the villagers, and whatever they had given to her, the cloths, she just kept there only. She did not take anything from them. She had taken only her shoes and walking stick and the torn clothes she was wearing when she first came to the village. So when she was arrived to the village, so she was wore a dusty torn dress. So with the same dress she went off and she had taken her torn shoes only and walking sticks. So how the old woman came to their village, in the same way she went off. She did not take anything from them. Okay, children. Okay. And next, the villagers were very sad to lose her. So because of they felt very happy. See, when we go to the previous paragraphs, there it has given there the villagers were very happy that they had asked the old woman to stay. So they were very happy to give her shelter and the food for her. Okay, because of they have learned so many things from her. Okay, so that they did not like to lose her. So they hunted for her far and wide. So how much far they can go? So they went there and they were searched everywhere and they were called that come back granny we miss you. So saying these, so they went far and wide means how far they can go and they search. So they went and they were searched for her. But they never saw the old woman again. So here we can understand the villages are very, very good. Yes or no, children? Yeah. Next. See here, come to the next paragraph. Meanwhile, spring was making way for summer. It was time to sow turnips and cabbages. One day, the villagers woke up very early to start work in the fields. But a surprise awaited them. When they came out of their huts, the village was surrounded by plants with long, fresh, green leaves. It looked like a sea of green around the village. So, meanwhile, the spring was making a way for summer. Okay, the spring after summer will come. So in this season, so what they have to do in this time, they have to sow the turnips and cabbages. They know only these two things only. Okay, to grow turnips and cabbages. So one fine day, the villagers woke up very early because to start the work. Okay, generally, we know that the people who works in the fields, they work early in the morning only. Okay, they start their work early in the morning only. So they were ready to go to the fields to start their work. What is their work now? To sow turnips and cabbages. Okay, they have come outside, but surprise awaited. Awaited means something surprising waiting outside. What is that one surprise? So when they came out of their huts, the village was surrounded by plants. So when they had come out of their houses, they had seen that what is it full of green plants everywhere. So then how we can say everywhere? It looked like a sea of green around the village. So around their village, it was full of plants. How were the plants, children, here? Here it is given the village was surrounded by plants with long, fresh, green leaves. Long, fresh, green leaves. So they had seen that one, they could not understand anything. So it is just like a what is the thing? Sea of green around the village. So wherever they see, there were these plants only with long fresh green leaves. Okay children, and next so it looked like a sea of green around the village. And next, we go for the next three paragraphs are there, children. So we go for the explanation of three paragraphs in the next in the next class, children. Okay. Meanwhile, you just go through the lesson, children. Those who are having these textbooks, almost all I think almost all of you bought the books. Once you go through the lesson, children. Okay.